wanted to do a quick little video. Quick, maybe not. I don't know. We'll see. But I got some mail today, so I wanted to open some of that for you. And I stopped at the card shop, picked up some stuff, so I figured we'll get some stuff together and see what I got going on. But yeah, mail day. So I got a few different mail options to open. Some stuff that's been waiting from eBay and other sources to come in, and finally some of it has come in. So I'm super stoked to see what I have acquired. It's a nice envelope. Inside this, ooh, holds Jim Kelly Genesis for the Wave. Excellent. It's from Dan Dino. Yeah, I've done a pretty good job collecting some Kellys. I think I'm almost up to 20 out of the 32 now. It's getting a little slim pickings and ones that are really expensive, but definitely a cool piece. Not numbered as the Genesis, but I know they're a short print style, only in a couple boxes. But I'm gonna do a video on those pretty soon and show you all the Kellys that I had gotten. Let's go ahead and get this guy ripped. Ooh, it's extra padded. I think it's a bag within a bag. So let's be careful with that. One bag into another bag. Okay. Boom. Extra protect. So they sent me some other fun to go along with it. Herman Moore pink camo. Ooh, Randy Moss base. Nice. A Harrison Smith Pro Bowl base. Willie Gay Jr. Prism rookie for Kansas City. Nice. 2020. My first Prism 2020. We got Von Miller lockdown. Nice. And then, oh, the Jim Kelly Gold Wave. Been waiting a long time for this one. Excited to get this one in the collection. That's 11 out of 17. So, yeah, grab my touch for it. So get it into the collection. How cool is that? Those look fantastic. I'm excited to do my Jim Kelly video. I'm just waiting for one more to come in, but that looks dope. That's very, very cool. 11 to 17. Nice, and got some fun extra base to go along with it, including some prisms. So the guy clearly has opened a few things for sure. So we got here, this is from Burbank Sports Cards. Check that out. All right, this is a Warren Sapp Red Fusion Mosaic. I think I got a good price on, so that's out of 80, so 50 out of 80. It's pretty cool. It'd be fun to get if there's get one out of 99 and it was Warren Sapp, get a jersey number. That's really cool. But red prism for the Bucks, the Red Fusion. That's awesome. I'm excited to get one of those. Okay. And then we got this one. Open it up and see what we've got in store. I'm sure anyone that's received mail has been having some hard times. It seems like stuff is just sitting at facilities forever and forever and forever. And then all of a sudden it's like, oh, it's out. So I assume they're not scanning it or doing things, updating, because they're just so backed up. But crazy. So here, all right, so we got a Cam Akers dual patch from Spectra 2020, and that's 11 of 149. That was a fun setup. And then a Cam Akers big old yellow napkin on the Spectra. Those cards are so cool, and that's 11 of 15 on that one. So I thought some fun ones to go with my other Cam Akers that I have. But some very, very cool cards. All right, we got one more package here. I think this one's from Topps. I didn't cut it where I wanted to. Got a packing slip inside. Oh, Stevie, okay. All right, we'll do a video on this. 26 cards per box, 25 base, and 1 guaranteed parallel. And look for autographs and Stevie Aoki relics. Yeah, this is the Wave 1 set that I got a set of them. So we're gonna open that one and check that one out. Do that one on another video. That's very cool. Awesome. Stevie Aoki. Okay, so yeah, at the card shop, I just picked up a couple. They had a couple one-touches. Didn't have a bunch here. Got a box that we'll do later. I found there of 2014 Bowman Chrome with Jadeveon Clowney on it that has 1 autograph per box. I gotta look up and see what's in these ones, but we'll do that one in another video. But in the meantime, I picked up 1 pack of Allen Ginter, got a pack of Donruss Elite, and I got 2 packs of Playoff, and a box of Illusions. So let's set that one for last and do a little baseball here. Mix it up and pop on some baseball. I know we hope some of those, but we got Acuna base, then a Mo. All right, Mo Rivera Chrome, perfect. And then we got the Bugging Out Peacock Spider. This is the parallel little guy on there. And then Jackie Robinson base on there. Nice. Very, very cool. Little pack. Got an Acuna and a Mo and Jackie and a little Bugging Out. So those are fun. Let's go ahead and open the Donruss Elite. These were all hobby packs too. They weren't retail, other than the Illusions that nice, but they're all out of the hobby box. So see if we get anything fun. George Kittle, Mitchell Trubisky. We got numbered 9 out of 349. Field vision of Tre'Davious White. Nice. That was out of 9 of 349. So nice little numbered card. Then we got Derwin James, who got hurt this season, and then Jimmy G. Those ones are fun and flashy. Donruss Elite cards this year. I don't think I've got any of those, but it's fun. Get something unique. Okay. So then we'll do our playoffs. We got 2 packs playoffs. They were the last 2 in the box that they had there. They were, I think, $8 on those ones. So let's go ahead and check out. We got playoffs. We got Peyton Manning, beautiful. James Crowder, Drew Lock. It's got a rookie wave. Oh, Jalen Reagor, rookie wave. Nice. Go with our rookie wave. Do not have that one yet. We got a rookie card of Tanner Muse, a Dwayne Haskins, Emmitt Smith, and Devontae Adams. Very cool. Fun little rookie wave. All right, this one feels a little thicker. Not that means anything, but looks like So we got something. We got something in here. All right, we got a Nick Chubb. Beautiful. Austin Eckler. Okay, that one is our... All right, I got a CeeDee Lamb rookie wave. Beautiful. It's a cool card. Van Jefferson rookie card. A DK. All right. DK to go to the PC DK collection. Another Jimmy G. I always pulling Jimmy G's. I didn't look to see if any of these were first down or second down. I don't think any of them were that I saw. I don't believe so. Jimmy G. Kerryon Johnson. Austin Eckler. And then we got a Charger. We got a Justin Herbert. Nice. Turning pro. Awesome. Very fun. Very cool. That is sweet. A little bit of the blue jersey patch there. That's awesome. But of course, see, with his Oregon, he still has the yellow pants, so it's not supposed to look different like him graduating to the NFL, but it looks very similar. But that's awesome. Nice. Got a little Justin Herbert turning pro. Very cool. Very, very cool. Get right there with those. Slavers, put them in one real quick. That is cool. Very, very nice. Okay. And then we got our box of illusions. So this was just a retail box they had, but they're on the lesser expensive side of things at the shop. So I figured I've liked some of the things I've gotten out of these before, as you can see from the illusions that we have. So I figured, hey, let's try it. Let's get we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 packs here. Kick off here and see what we do. Russell Wilson, nice. Jake Fromm. Antonio Gandy Golden. Rookie card. TJ Watt, excellent. James Morgan rookie card for the Jets. And Lamar Jackson. Very, very cool. Okay. Taysom Hill. Brian Edwards rookie card. Chris Carson. Oh, got a Saquon. Acetate clear shots. Saquon. Very cool. That's awesome. It's the green. I don't know which ones of these are numbered. If there's numbered ones in the blaster boxes, I'm not sure. Chase Claypool rookie. And a James Conner. 2 Steelers. All right. Josh Allen. Upside down Cam Newton. Jalen Reagor, rookie. Tyler Johnson, nice rookie card. Aaron Rodgers. And Marvin Jones Jr. Wish he would have done something on the fantasy team. Out of the playoffs by half a point. Insane. Antonio Gibson, rookie. This one feels thicker. Nick Bosa. DeAndre Hopkins. Ooh, we got something. Laviska Shenault Jr. Stephon Gilmore. There's DeAndre. Let's see. We got great expectations. Great expectations there. Gabriel Davis. Those ones look cool. Gabriel Davis. Great expectations. Very, very nice. Sleeve up on that one. Awesome. Yeah, it's fun when they get a little patch. I don't know if there's guarantees in this stuff to get anything, but definitely cool to grab one of him. All right, we got Tua. Tua rookie. J.J. Watt. Ooh, we got a green Roethlisberger. Nice. Von Miller. Odell Beckham. And Cam Akers rookie. Nice. And Cam Akers to go along with all the Cam Akers. Okay, last pack. Justin Jefferson. Alvin Kamara. Lynn Bowden Jr. It has, ooh, DK Metcalf clear shots in the gold. That's cool. With his leap over, I forgot what that is in the Eagles, but that's awesome. Awesome DK. Got ourselves another DK. Very cool. And then we finish it off with Adam Thielen, because we always get Adam Thielen, and a Zach Moss rookie. Nice. Very cool. Yeah, so definitely some fun stuff. Fun mail, fun things. But yeah, we'll stay tuned. We'll do a video of the Bowman Chrome 2014, and we'll do a Steve Aoki baseball one. All right, thanks for watching, guys. See ya.